What good are drones? Some say they're a nuisance, even dangerous. But you could say that about anything. Many say they're an invaluable tool, even a lifesaver. What say you? Welcome to the special edition of Drone Pilot MBA. It's Tony at Aerial Northwest. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a closer look at how drones are making a positive impact on the world around us. With a life or death scenario where every second counts, when someone suffers a heart attack, their chance of survival plummets 10% for every minute that life-saving treatment is delayed. It's a terrifying race against an ultimate clock. To help save us and our dearly beloved ones, a clever new generation of drones has become the solution. Today's drones and those models on the horizon are literally turning the sky into a superhighway for emergency aid, helping to bridge that critical gap in what first responders call the golden hour. In cities across the globe, we're seeing highly trained pilots deploying sophisticated drone aircraft as flying first responders. They carry and deliver life-saving equipment like automated external defibrillators. And since they can just fly right over traffic, they can get to a 911 caller's location far faster than any ambulance. Drone technology can literally double a person's chance of rescue and survival. Check this out. A drone's life-saving capabilities, they extend to the most remote and inaccessible places, like the man that was lost for 29 hours in the vast Kentucky wilderness with temps dipping below freezing. It was a drone's thermal camera that found him by spotting his heat signature in a dark and desolate location where ground teams just couldn't reach him. Drone technology is used in all sorts of incredible rescue missions. Drones with powerful spotlights, guiding ground crews through tough terrain at night. Drones are also deployed in harsh conditions to airdrop life jackets to flood victims. In places like India, heavy-lift drones are flying 20 kilos of critical supplies right through monsoons to reach communities that are completely cut off. But the impact of drone goes way beyond just emergency response. Drones are showing up in truly unexpected places and creating some fascinating paradoxes. We're actually seeing modern tech transform some of the most traditional worlds on the planet. Let's take the Amish farmers in Pennsylvania. They're known for shunning a lot of modern technology, and yet they're managing almost 10,000 acres of land. This brilliantly illustrates the paradox. They're not just using traditional ground rigs. No, they're using high-tech spray drones for precision agriculture. It's a perfect example of how the sheer usefulness of a technology can go beyond cultural lines and just offer a better way to do things. This blending of old and new worlds raises a really fascinating question about how we solve other long-standing challenges, like this one. How in the world do you safely move a grizzly bear away from human settlements without hurting the animal or putting people at risk? While traditional methods often fail, drones are proving to be remarkably effective. They have a 91% success rate in basically nudging these bears back to where they belong, safely. And they're getting pretty creative too. They're even adding speakers to the drones that play heavy metal music to, make the whole experience a little more memorable for the bears. And talk about creativity, it's an edible drone. Engineers developed a drone with wings made of rice cookies and gelatin. It's designed to fly to stranded climbers and deliver nutrition where the drone itself becomes part of the meal. Take a look at the big picture. Drones are used to see our world in entirely new ways. It's like entering a new age of discovery, getting a profound, non-invasive view of a natural world that we've never had before. For scientists, drones provide what they call visual breathing room. That is, they let researchers observe wildlife without disturbing it at all. Researchers studying flying fox colonies are now seeing their accuracy in counting them jump by 25 to 50% just by using drone thermal imaging. Overcoming the challenge of spotting koalas camouflaged way up in high-dense treetops has been completely transformed. As one researcher put it, the thermal drones make the koalas light up on the screen like little light bulbs inside a tree. Drones are a true game changer for conservation. This new perspective is capturing scientific wonders that have rarely, if ever, been seen by human eyes. A drone in Greenland actually filmed a bowhead whale smashing through 60 centimeters of solid Arctic ice. That's 2 feet thick, just to take a breath. It's an astonishing display of power that we can now witness and study up close. Drones are even helping us look into the ancient past, hunting for clues hidden across vast landscapes. In the Badlands of Canada, scientists have made a brilliant connection. A specific bright orange lichen loves to grow on dinosaur fossils. They use drones to fly over these massive rugged areas and map every single one of these lichen meadows. That map then becomes a treasure map for paleontologists, guiding them directly to undiscovered bones. Drones and their incredible mapping capability help humans in crisis. We're seeing drone high-tech mapping transform into large-scale humanitarian relief. One system called Clark, after a disaster like a hurricane, a drone flies over to capture footage of the damage. The system's AI then analyzes all the footage and can assess the damage across an entire neighborhood of 2,000 homes. The speed at which it does this is truly staggering. In just 7 minutes, the specialized drone system can process all that data, map the damage, figure out which roads are blocked, and highlight the safest evacuation routes. It gives first responders a clear, actionable plan while the disaster is literally still unfolding. From saving a single life with a defibrillator to mapping entire communities in minutes, from nudging grizzly bears to finding dinosaur bones, the drone has truly evolved. It's not just a camera in the sky anymore. It's become, as one quote says, a high-tech Swiss Army knife with wings, enabling whole new levels of good in our society. Thanks for joining us. I'm Tony Marino. Be sure to subscribe to stay informed about the latest in drone business strategy. Visit us online too at aerialnorthwest.com. And as always, keep on droning. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to hire us, you can get more information by visiting aerialnorthwest.com. Be smart, safe, and fly responsibly.